friends, once again welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Today we are going to look part 23 of ratio proportion is about kinds. Okay, let's start our class with small concept kinds. నాణ్యముల గురించి ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ నేర్చుకుందాం. We have a simple formula. Number of kinds is multiplied by value of each kind. We get total amount. నాణ్యముల సంఖ్యను ఒక్కో నాణ్యం విలువతో గుణించగా వచ్చేది మొత్తం సొమ్ము. రైట్, ఇక్కడ మనము ఒక మాట చెప్పాలి. 1 rupee means 100 pies. 1 rupee means 100 pies. So 50 pies means we have to divide 50 by 100 to convert in rupees. 1 rupee equal 100 పైసలు, 1 రూపాయి అంటే 50 పైసల్ని రూపాయలకు మార్చాలంటే పైసల్ని 100 చే భాగించాలి. 0 0 5 1s are 5 2s are, that is half rupee. Okay, what is 50 pies? Half rupee. That is 25 pies is 25 by 100 rupees. That is 1 by 4 rupee. Similarly 20 pies it means 20 by 100 rupee. That is 1 by 5 rupee. 10 pies means 10 by 100 rupee. That is 1 by 10 rupee. Similarly 30 pies means 30 by 100. That is 3 by 10 rupees. Okay, now let us see examples. We have 100 kinds. We have 100 kinds. Each of 50 pies kinds. Each of 50 pies. So, what is the value of 50 pies kinds? That is half rupee. That is half rupee. Number of kinds are 100. Each of kind is 50 pies. 50 pies value is half rupee. Then amount is half of 100 is 50 rupees. మన దగ్గర 50 పైసల నాణెములు 100 ఉన్నాయి. ఇంటూ ఒక్కొక్క నాణెం విలువ రూపాయలలో హాఫ్ రూపీ. హాఫ్ ఇంటూ 100 చేస్తే 50 రూపాయలు మొత్తం సొమ్ము అవుతుంది. ఓకే, లెట్ us see another example. We have 80 kinds of 25 pies and value of each 25 pie coins in rupees are 1 by 4. So 80 into 1 by 4, that is total we have 20 rupees amount in our pocket. Okay, now conversely 20 is total amount. 20 is what? Total amount, మొత్తం సొమ్ము. 20 is divided by 1 by 4. If 20 is divided by 1 by 4, what we get? Obviously we get 80. What is 1 by 4? Value of each kind. Value of each kind. ఒక్కొక్క నాణము విలువ. ఒక్కొక్క నాణము విలువ. What is 80? 80 is number of kinds. 80 is number of kinds. 80 అనున్నది నాణ్యముల సంఖ్య. అనగా మొత్తం సొమ్మును ఒక్కో నాణ్యం విలువచే భాగిస్తే వచ్చేది నాణ్యముల సంఖ్య. That means when total amount is divided by value of each kind, then we get number of kinds. By using these two formula, we can solve the questions based on kinds. Let us see one example. First question. A bag contains 50 pies, 25 pies and 10 pies kinds in the ratio 7:8:3, amounting to rupees 87. Find the number of 10 pies kinds. ఒక సంచిలో 50 పైసలు, 25 పైసలు మరియు 10 పైసల నాణెములు 7:8:3 నిష్పత్తిలో ఉన్నాయి. వాటి మొత్తం విలువ రూపాయలు 87 అయినా 10 పైసల నాణెముల సంఖ్య ఎంత? Let us see it by method and shortcut. Yes, we have 50 pies, 25 pies and 10 pies. Okay, number of coins ratio is given that number of coins are in the ratio 7:8:3. Let us suppose 50 pies coins are 7x, 25 pies coins are 8x, 10 pies coins of 3x. Okay, now we know that value of each coin is, value of 50 pies coins is half rupee, value of 25 pies coins is 1/4 rupee, value of each 10 pies coins is 1/10 rupee. Okay, now as amount is given in the question, as total amount is given in the question, total amount is equal to number of coins into value of each coins. So that is, we have to product these two, we get total amount. So each and every time we have to multiply number of coins into value of each coin. That is 7x into half. 7x into half is 3.5x plus 8x into 1/4. 8x into 1/4 means 2x plus 3x into 1/10, that is 0.3x. This value is equal to total amount 87 rupees. Again, half of 7 is 3.5, 1/4 of 8 is 2x, 1/10 of 3x is 0.3x. Now total is 3 plus 2 5, 5.8x. 5.8x equal to 87. X equal to 87 by 5.8. Okay, but remove the decimal place in denominator place and put a single zero to the numerator place. Now 58 ones are 58, 29 is remainder, 29 0 290, 58 5s are 290. So x equal to what? 15. But we have to find number of 10 pies coins. Number of 10 pies coins are 3x. So 3 15s are 45 is the answer. So answer is B. Let us see it by shortcut. Value of each coin is half rupee, 1/4 rupee and 1/10 rupee. And the ratio of number of coins is given by 7 units, 8 units, 3 units. Now smallest pies is actually 10 pies, which is equal to 1/10 rupee. So denominator of 1/10 rupee is 10. So make the number of coins into multiples of 10 by put a 0 to right side of each term of the ratio. That is 70, 80, 30. Ratio doesn't change. Okay, so value of each coin and these are number of coins. Now value is half of 70 is 35. Since amount is nothing but number of coins into value of each coin. Number of coins into value of each coin. 70 into half. Half of 70 is 35. 1/4 times of 80 is 20. 30 times of 1/10 is 3. This value is equal to 87. 55, 58. 58 units value 87. Then 1 unit value is 1.5. 1 unit value is 1.5. But we have to find number of coins of 10 pies. So 10 pies coins ratio is 30 units. 30 units value is 30 into 1.5. That is 45. So answer is again 45. Okay. Next question, second one. A bag contains 1 rupee, 50 pies and 25 pies coins in the ratio 5:6:7. If the total amount is rupees 390, find the number of coins of each kind. Okay. ఒక సంచిలో 1 రూపాయి 50 పైసలు 25 పైసల నాణెములు 5:6:7 నిష్పత్తిలో కలవు. వాటి మొత్తం విలువ 390 అయిన సంచిలో గల నాణెములు వరుసగా ఎన్ని? రైట్ సొల్యూషన్. సింప్లీ నాణెములు ఏ నిష్పత్తిలో ఉన్నాయో నాణెముల సంఖ్య కూడా అదే నిష్పత్తిలో ఉండాలి. సిన్స్ Number of coins are in the ratio 5:67. So answer must be in the ratio 5:67. See, 0, 0, 0 cut. 4 sevens are 4 6 are 4 5 are. Since option B is in the ratio 5:67, answer is B. Let us see it by a shortcut. So value of each coin is 1 rupee, 50 pice means half rupee, 25 pice means 1/4 rupee. Number of coins ratio, that is 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, suppose. Then what is amount? Amount is given by product of value of each coin into number of coins. 1 5 is 5 units plus half of 6 is 3 units, 7/4 units. Sum of these units value is equal to 390 rupees. Okay. 5 plus 3 8. 4 8s are 32 plus 7. 39/4 units value is 390. So consider the 4 from LHS to RHS, it will become product. Then 39 ones are 39 tens are. 1 unit value is 40. Then we have to find each coin. So number of coins, 1 rupee coins are 5 units. 1 unit value 40, 5 units value 200. 50 pice coins are 6 units. 1 unit value 40, 6 units value is 240. Similarly 7 units value is 280. So answer is B. Okay. Third one, solution. A man has few coins of 1 rupee, 50 pice and 25 pice in the ratio 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. If the number of 50 coins is 96, yes, number of 50 pice coins are 96, find the total amount. ఒక వ్యక్తి దగ్గర 1 రూపాయి 50 పైసలు 25 పైసల నాణెంలు 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4 నిష్పత్తిలో ఉన్నాయి. 50 పైసల నాణెముల సంఖ్య 96. 50 పైసల నాణెముల సంఖ్య 96 అయినా ఆ వ్యక్తి వద్ద గల మొత్తం సొమ్ము ఎంత? Since what is the value of 50 pice coins? As number of coins are 96, value of 50 pice coins are 48 rupees. 50 పైసల నాణెములు 96 ఉన్నాయి. 96 ఉన్నాయంటే వాటి విలువ 48 రూపాయలు. ఓకే. But the ratio of coins, ratio is always expressed in terms of integers. So first of all, we have to simplify this one. That is, number of coins are in the ratio 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. Multiply LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. 12 ones are 12/2, that is 6. So 12 ones are 12/3, that is 4. 12 ones are 12/4, that is 3. So coins are in the ratio 6 is to 4 is to 3. And value of each coin is 1 rupee, half rupee, okay, and then 1/4 rupee. Value of each coin is 1 rupee, half rupee, 1/4 rupee. But total amount we have to find. What is the amount? Product of number of coins to value of each coin. 6 ones are 6 units, 6 rupees. 4 into half, 2 rupees. 3 into 1/4, that is 3/4 rupees. Right. But we are given that value of 50 pice coins is 48. 50 pice coins units are 2 units. 2 units value is 48 rupees. 2 units value is 48 rupees. Then 1 unit value is 24 rupees. So value of 1 rupee coins are 6 into 24 and 50 pice coins are 48. That is 2 into 24, 3/4 into 24. Total amount equal 24 6 are 144 plus 2 24s are 48. 4 1s are 4 6 are 6 3s are 18. 8 plus 8 16 plus 4 20. 2 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 4 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. That is total amount is 210. So answer is B. Next and last two questions of this class. Fourth one. A box has 210 kinds of denominations 1 rupee, 50 pies only. 1 rupee and 50 pies only. The ratio of their respective values is 13:11. The number of 1 rupee coins is. ఒక పెట్టెలో 210 నాణెములు 1 రూపాయివి 50 పైసలవి కలవు. వాటి విలువల నిష్పత్తి 13:11 అయినా ఆ పెట్టెలో గల 1 రూపాయి నాణెముల సంఖ్య ఎంత? Since amount is given here, ratio of amount is given here 13:11, and we know that value of each coin, 1 rupee coin value is 1 and 50 pice coins value is 1/2. So amount is divided by value of each coin, then we get number of coins. Number of coins. మొత్తం విలువను ఒక్కొక్క నాణెం విలువచే భాగిస్తే వచ్చేది నాణెముల సంఖ్య. So divide 13 by 1, that is 13. 11 divided by half, that is 22. Sum of number of coins is 35 units. This 35 units is given by 210. Then 1 unit value is 6. 35 6 are 210. 1 unit value is 6. Then we have to find the number of 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins are 13 units. 13 units value is 13 6 are 78. So answer is D. Okay. Next question, fifth one. A box contains 280 coins of 1 rupee, 50 pice, 25 pice. The value of each kind of the coins are in the ratio. The value of each kind of the coins are in the ratio 8:4:3. Then the number of 50 pice coins are. ఒక పెట్టెలో 1 రూపాయి 50 పైసలు 25 పైసల నాణెములు మొత్తం 280 గలవు. ఆ నాణెముల విలువల నిష్పత్తి 8:4:3 అయిన 50 పైసల నాణెముల సంఖ్య ఎంత? Given that total amount of each kind of coins are in the ratio 8:4:3, value of each coin is 1 rupee, half rupee, 1/4 rupee. That is number of coins. Division of amount to value of each coin. 8 by 1, 8. 4 by half, that is again 8. Half, that is 12. Sum of number of coins is 12 plus 8, 20 plus 28. 28 units value is 280. Then 1 unit value is 10. So I have to find 50 pice coins. 50 pice coins are 8 units. 8 units value are 80. So there are 80 50 pice coins in the box. So answer is C. Okay. Students, this completes the part 23 of ratio and proportion. If you like my video classes and methods and shortcuts, please do subscribe my channel, share, like and comment. Thank you very much.